As learners prepare to return to school, most of them for the first time in 9 months, schools will be required to ensure the learners' safety from COVID-19 and enforce the containment measures. According to a circular released by the Ministry of Education, school managers are required to create awareness among learners as soon as they report to school on COVID-19 protocols. They must enforce a requirement that all learners carry with them at least 2 masks, preferably reusable ones, and wear them at all times while in school. For learners, staff, and visitors to school, they must have their body temperatures regularly monitored. As such, schools will be required to have with them thermal guns for screening of all entrants. While in school, proper hand hygiene is a necessity, with schools required to provide adequate water and soap or hand sanitizers. All common surfaces must be regularly cleaned to keep the virus at bay. And to enhance contact tracing, schools are required to maintain updated biodata of all learners and staff and contacts of their families and parents in case of learners getting sick. Now, schools must also make contact with the nearest public health facility to prepare for emergencies should suspected cases of COVID-19 infections arise. Now, for schools that have their learners ferried to and from school, they are required to enforce social distancing, where school vehicles are required to carry not more than 50% of their capacity. And for the mental health of learners, schools are required to enhance guidance and counseling services at the institutions with psychosocial support expected. Regular spiritual care for learners and staff are part of the assignment. Now, for the time being, the following events have been restricted or suspended: unnecessary visits, the parents' days, inter-school activities, while school assemblies will have to be restricted to observe social distancing while discouraging overcrowding.